All right, here's an Excel tip that makes it very convenient for me. I like to have the records of every day sometimes, maybe total sales. Well, what I used to do was I would come up here and I would highlight this and I would grab it down here in the corner and I would go ahead and drag it down. That would autofill it. Well, guess what? I mean, it was like a guessing game trying to come down to a specific date. Like if I want to do the entire year, I don't want to drag it that whole way. So how do I do that? Well, with this highlighted, you're going to hit the Alt, and then you can hit these in sequence, H, F, I, S. Now, when this pops up, you select, oh, I want columns. Put in your end date. So I want to put in December 31st, 2024, and let this do it for me automatically. Easier than trying to drag it down, guessing where the stopping point is. Thank you for viewing, and we're going to be coming up with some more Excel tips and tricks in the very near future. Thank you.